In Ridley Scott's Blade Runner, the future isn't just built of rain-slicked streets and neon signs, it lives inside the glowing panels of Deckard's personal computer. Its form is unmistakably industrial, a bulky, brushed steel chassis topped with a wide, convex CRT that bulges like a laboratory reactor. The screen is framed by an array of luminous, tactile keys capped in translucent amber, each one recessed beneath a thin plexiglass panel. A rotary analog dial sits on the left, its metal-knurled rim suggesting a manual override for a world run by software. Functionally, the workstation is a hybrid data hub and investigative tool. The CRT displays layered monochrome raster graphics, scrolling databanks, skeletal schematics of replicants, and an ever-present flicker of citywide surveillance feeds. The keyboard isn't merely input, its backlit keys serve as status LEDs, each hue indicating system health, network latency, or a pending threat. The rotary dial acts as a quick select for archival queries, turn it left for the Tyrell Corp archives, right for the police database. In scenes where Deckard interrogates a replicant, the UI shifts to a stark, high-contrast mode, overlaying a viewport of physiological readouts that feed directly into the infamous Voigtkampf test. This layered approach lets Deckard toggle between investigative analysis and raw data monitoring without ever leaving his seat. Aesthetically, the design fuses 1980s techno-optimism with a gritty dystopian undertone. The palette is a neon-washed cyan-blue paired with warm amber, echoing the film's rain-slick palette. The raw metal case and exposed circuitry are rendered in muted grays, while the glowing interfaces radiate a soft, almost organic luminescence that feels both alive and threatening. The overall visual language borrows from 80s airbrush concept art, soft gradients, dramatic chiaroscuro, and a sense of depth that makes the computer appear as a monumental, living entity within Deckard's cramped apartment. This interface does more than display information, it becomes a character of its own, a bridge between the human detective and the sprawling, cyber-infested city outside, embodying the film's core tension between humanity and machinery.